Next subtopic from lesson number 4 is relationship between environment and ecosystem. I have told you this little bit. I've given you a little bit idea about this topic in the first video, the first beginning of the chapter, that every ecosystem is a part of environment. Many small ecosystems together can be present in one single environment. For example, in the first video I had told you, if you consider environment of a city, in that city like Pune, you will have different ecosystems like ecosystem of Shivajinagar, ecosystem of Swargate, ecosystem of Pashan. Now, if you consider environment of only Shivajinagar area, in that again you may have different ecosystems. Like if there is some water body, some river, pond or lake, dam, then that will be an ecosystem of water ecosystem. If there is some garden in that Shivajinagar area, then that would be another ecosystem which will be considered as a ecosystem of plants, insects, then soil ecosystem. So every environment is made up of many ecosystems. Okay, and every ecosystem will have its own food chain, will have its own biotic and abiotic factors. I have written down some important points which you can see. So in front of environment I have written environment is a broad spectrum. It has biological, physical and chemical factors. Now you know what are these factors. In the second video you have seen the flow chart. Now ecosystem is part of environment. One single ecosystem doesn't make environment. Children understand, don't get confused. Environment is a broad concept, means many different ecosystems will combine to form environment. Fine. Now talking a little more about environment. Environment is divided into two types: natural environment and artificial environment. The words will give you a little bit idea. Natural and artificial. Natural environment, everything that is present around us, which is formed of living things, which we get from nature. For example, animals, plants, insects, birds, water, air, atmosphere, sunlight, land, everything. Next, artificial environment means things that you see around yourself which are made by man-made things. Simple. Okay, everything which is materialistic, made from some concrete material or some metal, statues, houses, buildings. These are all your artificial environments. So when you live in an environment, artificial and natural, both environments are there. There's a word called ecology on page number 38 of your textbook. They have given you a little small paragraph about ecology. To make it more simple, I have written down something over there. You can see in the video. What is ecology? Ecology is the science that deals with the study of interactions between biotic and abiotic factors. What does this mean? Means anybody who will study ecosystem or environment in detail, that study is called as ecology. When you study about forts and about kings and past time, we call it as history. So when you study environment or ecology in detail, it is called ecology. And we cannot study ecosystem and environment without studying biotic and abiotic factors. Okay. So this is what the definition tells you.